Chapri, Chapri, Chapri. So many videos on Chapris. We've already done a video on Chapri style mistakes. But did you know that there were categories in Chapri people? Let's talk about 3 of the most common Chapri types that you all can relate to. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to take a look at 3 of the most common types of Chapri people in this video. Well, this video is not just for fun. Well, it is for fun, but not just for fun. In today's video we'll also talk about a few Chapri things here and there, Chapri stereotypes basically. Before starting the video, shout out to Mod Huzefa. Thank you so much for that comment, dude. Jaldi ho jayenge yaar, tension mat lo. We'll get this soon, very soon. You know how? Because I've got you people on my side and you people are gonna take me to the top. This immature motherfucker right here. Immature motherfucker. Alright people, this video is gonna be kind of like those starter pack memes kind of video, okay? So we are gonna talk deeply about these categories, separate categories of Chapri people. If you don't know, we've already covered some Chapri style mistakes. 2 videos are there in the series, and if you're interested in those videos, the card is right here. You can click on this card right here and know how to not be a Chapri. Alright, our very first category is the regular common Chapri. You almost find them everywhere. In the city, in the slums, on the roads, mostly on KTMs in jungles, and in some cases shirtless on KTMs. You'll mostly find these people wearing obviously fake clothes and obviously fake sneakers. Brands like Super Perme, Off-White, Mikey, Abibas are their regular brands. And if by chance they're wearing a button-down shirt, it's gonna be obviously the worst looking button-down shirt you've seen that whole day. And there's gonna be the famous man cleavage. Instant turn off for girls. These reflective blue colored sunglasses, Chapri bana ki had paar kar diye matlab. And if you go to these people's social media handles like Instagram or Facebook, who the f uses Facebook today? Who uses Facebook? Does anyone use Facebook? Comment down below, please let me know. Does anyone use Facebook anymore? So you'll see their Chapri photo shoots all the time on their feed. And if you see their social media posts, they have like 100 comments, alright? 100 comments on Facebook. And if you check those comments, who commented those things, there are 5 people who commented 20 times. That's how they increase the engagement on the page. That's how it is. They'll mostly do saste nashe like gutka, pan, whitener, solution, etc. They'll also have the cheapest looking and the worst looking hair color in mankind's history. And if they don't have any sunglasses on, they'll have these Chapri looking eyeglasses on. Self-bezati.
मजा आया.
These people will always have bad taste in music. I'm not judging anyone by their music choices or any choices in general, but when you have rap legends like Bohemia, how can you listen to this shit? मैं डालूंगा DM, फिर AM से PM, करे बात साथ साथ, खाली घर रात बहुत hard. तू लटका के झटका के चलती है भटका के ध्यान मेरा. You call this गाना a rap? More like गाने का rape. That's what it is.
अबे साले माफ करना, गुस्से में इधर निकल जाता.
Okay, हम कौन होते हैं जज करने वाले? But these people mostly have low mentalities. Whenever they see a hot chick with a big booty, they will always rev the fuck out of their engines of those RX 100s and KTMs and Hero Hondas to just grab the female's attention. Now you know the evolutionary male instinct hasn't gotten any better in these people. They're still back in like thousands of years. You know what's worse than these revvings? Bullet patakas, exactly. Bullet patakas. It's the peak Chapri move right there. You fire one bullet pataka, you are a Chapri for life. Okay, I forgot to mention this one, but all the three categories, they're gonna have a few, one or two similar traits, because at the end, these all are Chapris. So what do you expect? What else do you expect? They are gonna have some common traits. And the second category in Chapri people, you've all seen them, the Yuva Neta. One of the most common types of Chapri out there. You always see them in Bhadeki or second-hand Scorpios filled with 10 other Chapris. These people wear kurtas with denim. Under that, they have the Abibas shoes. Always have to have their lal tika on. These people are mostly skinny, but they wear these kurtas so tight on the biceps that it ends up looking like a girl's balloon shoulder dress. Also, mostly these Yuva Netas own a second-hand iPhone 5S or a 6 or a 6S or whatever. And don't forget, they won't ever keep it in the back pocket or the side pockets. No. They'll always keep it in their chest pocket. And that too, they keep something in those chest pockets, I feel, so that the Apple logo could be visible from a mile away. Why? You think I won't notice, but I notice everything, dude. I'm a YouTuber, for God's sake. Again, these people roam around with this must-have clothing item with them. That's the Bhagwa Gamcha for more Bajrang Dal vibes. You see these people wear fake gold all the time. In some exceptional cases, they might wear real gold. But that too, it's like 18 karat or 20 karat gold. That's the most they can go up to. Again, a common trait in the Yuva Neta field, it's the bhau at the end of the name. For example, if your name is Ramesh, if you are a Yuva Neta now, it's not just Ramesh. No. It's Ramesh bhau. Ore rada bhawa, ek number rada kela bhawa tumi. Oh, rada. I once saw this banner. It had this name of a Yuva Neta and his name was Bhaiya Bhau. Bhaiya Bhau Patil was the full name, but Bhaiya Bhau. Bhaiya and Bhau literally means the same thing, and it's Bhaiya Bhau. It's like brother Patil. What the f? And then these people ask, हमको छपरी क्यों बोला बे? छपरी नहीं तो और क्या बोलेंगे बे? And then come the most anticipated thing, the banners. You've all seen these banners like everywhere on the road, anywhere. You know, you see these banners where they have this huge picture of a really bad photoshopped Yuva Neta, and there are 100 other heads of those aspiring wannabe Yuva Netas who just end up in a shitty Mitra Mandal. That's what it is, dude. Like, oh god. These people get commonly into group fights and like chakkar kaatte rehte court ke. Rada bhau rada, ek number rada killa bhau rada. And now finally comes the biggest trait, and it's the only thing that matters in this case. These Yuva Netas call themselves followers or bhakts of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, but they don't have a single quality that Shivaji Maharaj had, and a similar legacy whatsoever. They have zero things similar with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. You know what I'm talking about and who I'm talking about right now? I don't know who was wrong or who was right. Okay, I'm talking about right now, what happened right now. If you call yourself a bhakt of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, you know how respectful he was towards women. Alright? Even he had to express his feelings, he wouldn't rape threat women. Yes, I'm saying this out loud. If you don't have any logical thing to speak against someone, this is the lowest form of communication that you can use against anyone. And basically this is what you get. You just get arrested for doing shit, man. You're not a follower. You're just getting views out of this whole situation and drama. You're a shame, dude. You're a shame. And I know there are a lot of people watching this now and who are offended. I know you're gonna come after me. You know what? Let me put this out very clearly. Whoever come after me after this video are the real Chapri people, because they don't have any real work to do. On the other hand, if you are a Yuva Neta and you have work to do, firstly you won't find this video because you won't be scrolling through your feed and working right now, right? And you have better things to do. And if you are that second kind of person, you're not a Chapri. No one can dare to call you a Chapri. Why me? Not even the Prime Minister can call you the Chapri. Because you're working for your people. That doesn't make you a Chapri. Again, alright, before moving on to the third one, I want to make this very clear. If you come after me, you are a Chapri. You're a fucking Chapri. So don't come after me. Because if you break into my house, I will have to kill you. Nah, just kidding. This is my unboxing knife. I unbox my packages with this one. Never mind. But just don't break into my house. That's what I'm getting to. Alright people, I made a mistake. There wasn't 3 categories of Chapris. There were actually 4 categories of Chapris. My bad. I'm sorry. The third category of Chapris other people who did not subscribe to my channel, because I see like 70% of people just watching my videos and not subscribing. You are Chapri, okay people? You are Chapri. So just subscribe and don't be a Chapri. See how simple that was? That was the most easiest way to get out of a Chapri persona. Just like that, just subscribing to my channel. And finally, the fourth category of Chapri people, it's the Androni Chapri. Let me tell you, this is the most dangerous categories of them all. These people are like secret agents. From the outside, you won't even notice. You won't even have a clue that this guy could be a Chapri. But from the inside, these people are like Chapri into 100. Inke kya kehne? These people dress pretty well according to the standards they have. You know why? That wasn't a question. I told you. You know why? You know why. Even though I have to explain this to you, because that is what this video is for. Tabhi mere ko watch time milega. You might have come across this situation at least once in your life. I have many a times, so here's how the situation mostly goes. There's this one Chapri guy that we're talking about. He'll be like, "Chalo bro, tumhara bhai aaj tumko party karayega. Party's on me bro. Chalo sabko party karata hu main." Then you party hard, get a lot of alcohol, buy a lot of expensive food and stuff. And at the end, the guy just backs off and he's like, "Country kar lete bro, country." And you'll be like, "Yeah, chalo theek hai, whatever." And when you start to contribute, and this guy just be like, "Bro, इस बार तू मेरा भर देना bro, मैं तेरे को अगली बार पक्का करा देता हूँ bro. लगे तो घर जाके तेरे को कर देता हूँ man. एक पक्का कर दूँगा bro, तेरे माँ कसम कर दूँगा bro." And that is when you know, my boy, you fucked up and you are never getting your money back ever again. Just forget it. If this doesn't ring a bell, this will surely ring a bell. There's this one guy who will offer you some cocaine and be like, "Bro, तेरे को कुछ भरने का जरूरत नहीं है, तेरा भाई पूरा खर्चा उड़ाएगा. Cocaine's on me, bro." And you'll be like, "Okay, इसकी पार्टी है तो ले लेते, अब तो खरीद भी लिया है. Now he's not gonna ask more money from me, right?" No. Firstly, that's not cocaine. It's gonna be some MD mixed with tuna or whatever. Plus, this guy tells you that this 1 gram of coke cost him around 7,000 rupees. But deep inside, you know that 1 gram of coke costs you around 3.5 thousand rupees. Don't ask me why I know that. Don't do drugs, kids. Smoking a joint isn't doing drugs though. You get it? Marijuana isn't a drug. Even though it's considered a drug, it's a long story to explain, but it's not a drug. It's a damn plant. What the fuck? And you know what? Bob is actually smoking up as I'm talking to you. You know what? I'll just be back in a second. And just for the people who are asking me on Instagram, it's just Bob. It's not Bob Marley. Bob Fouclay will be a better one. What am I high on, dude? It's a hot box in here. I'll be back. I'll be back. What am I high on? And that was it for today's video, people. Wait, what? I can see my eyes turning red. Oh, cool. No, not cool. Thank you so much for watching this video, people. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know why in the comment section below, why you did not like this video. Just गाली वाली मत दो. Speak some logic into your stuff. सिर्फ मादर बोलने ना कोई बड़ा हो जाता है ना, बिग बॉस भी पहुंच जाता है ना, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. ठीक है? It's a short term fame. So speak logical, people. And if you want more content like this, subscribe to my channel right now and don't be a Chapri anymore. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned down. It's at StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. Add me on Snapchat as well. Yes, your boy is on Snapchat, and get a peek inside into my personal life. Like, what kind of weed do I smoke? Not really, just kidding. Or am I? Find that out when you add me on Snapchat. I'm also on Twitter because I'm a political son of a bitch. And follow me at STRATAGIST on Twitter and repost and like my opinions. If you have any suggestions for me for future videos, drop it down in the comment section or just ask me on social media. But till then, thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out. What am I high on?